friends, family, tastemakers. Tanya here. Welcome to Tanya's Tasteful Table. I'm Tanya if you're new, and today we're going to make a salad bar. And all of the decorations came from Dollar Tree, but the food came from the grocery store, Sam's Club, and stuff like that. So we have a lot to do, so let's get started. I'm going to use this table cover that I got from Dollar Tree. I really wanted that plaid one, but when they had them the first time I went in there, I overlooked them, but the next time I went in there, they were gone, so this is all I could get. Okay. Now, when I was a caterer, I used to love to set up double-sided buffets so that people wouldn't get bunched up. They can get stuff from this side and get stuff from that side. Okay, so what are we going to do first, okay? So if you've seen these at Dollar Tree, and you've seen these, here's the cutlery in a stemless goblet. Okay, oh, I wanted to put this. I'm going to put a nice fresh fruit basket. Okay, let's see. Is that everything? Okay. So we got these, you get these tong things from Dollar Tree. Put that in that one. Okay. Okay, so now that's, oh, I didn't do everything. Let me do the setup. Okay. So we're going to put a nice festive centerpiece. See how quick that came together? What is it? We are at like 5 minutes. Okay, so that's pretty and it's fun. And that's if you have guests that are coming in from out of town and you know what they like. You want to have a quick setup. You don't have to like cook or anything. This is a cute way to go. Even in the winter time. Now when I set this up, everyone can help themselves to salad. Then over here we'll have like some soup, either some jambalaya or some gumbo. And then you have to have some French bread or some cornbread. So now I'm going to fill up. I'm going to have some chickpeas over here. I'm going to put some your tomatoes over there. And on the other side, we're going to have boiled eggs. Some carrots. And some cheese. Okay. And then we're going to put the dressing in the shot glasses. But before that, let me put in this lettuce has already been chopped and prepped and washed several times. Everything came from Dollar Tree, except the food. You do that. for each dressing. Then I'm going to use this Italian for the other shooters. All right, guys, so this will get it done. So we already have our tablescape done, and we've got our beverage station over there. So and then go around and do that for all three. I'm not going to do that right now. I'm not going to expose all of the dressings. Okay. So, this will be something. Then you have your other station. You have where you're going to have your hot food. But today we're just going to get the salad together. Okay, so yeah, go around. Make sure everything's neat and orderly, and easily accessible. So to create a nice flow, you get your bowl, you get your lettuce, get your toppings right here. Pick up your dressing. Got napkins over here. And get your forks, your fork and knife. Come on around here if you want some fresh fruit. And then the other people can be over here, seeing if there's anything they want over here. And keep on going. Go and sit down. And these are I got these at Family Dollar for like 25 cents. They were on clearance, so this is how you make it fun. It gets the job done. It's for, family getting together, feeling, comfort and feeling the love. And it's not really where kids or anybody has to feel, all uptight, afraid they're going to break something, All right, so I'm just step back, look at everything. Make sure everything's looking good. And then you can stock this up a couple of times. Okay, family, I hope you got some inspiration and some ideas on how you can have a nice salad bar at home and how quick you can pull it together, how inexpensive it can be, but yet look just as fabulous as any high-end store in high-end restaurants. High-end restaurants don't even look this good. Okay, so today, now we're on our 8th 12 socks of Christmas. We're on our 8th one. And here. Okay, got it out. Oh, these are cute. Jolly Jolly. It says Holly Jolly. And some poinsettias. cute. Okay, guys, so that's everything today. Appreciate your support. Thank you for tuning in today. And if you're new here, if you like my vibe, hit subscribe and join the Tastemakers tribe and hit that bell notification so you'll be notified the next time I upload any new content. Thank you so much, everybody. See you in my next video. Bye. Bye, Mom. And also look at the playlist. I'll have a playlist at the end of this video, and you can see all of the videos I've done so far for Vlogmas. Tips and tricks and ideas on how to make your holiday season easy and stress-free. Okay, guys, thanks so much. Bye. Bye, Mom.